Cooper and Mia's blizzard. This just in. National Weather Service has reported, a giant blizzard is hitting Vyond City, which will take effect until 11 p.m. tonight.
Road closures are everywhere in Vyond City, and power outages are possible. We recommend taking safety precautions like stay indoors.
Oh my gosh, this can't be good. Cooper and Mia are still at school, we might not be able to get them.
In case if things get worse, we should call them and check if they're okay.
The day's pretty much over, but it's really snowy out there, guys. I don't know if the buses or parents are gonna make it here, and it may be too cold for those of you who walk.
Don't be silly, Miss Jonna. It's just a little snow.
Yeah. I mean, what's the worst that can happen? Uh-oh.
You were saying?
Bad news, folks. The blizzard is getting worse, and we lost electricity, all the roads are closed, and National Weather Service is asking everybody to stay where they are, until the storm settles.
You mean, we're stuck here, and we can't go home?
Afraid so.
Holy crap. It's really bad out there.
Well, this really sucks. I never thought the snow would get so strong today.
You can say that again.
Well, this really sucks. I never thought the snow would get so strong today.
We'll get through this, guys. It should stop in a couple hours. We just need to try and keep ourselves busy.
We should probably check in with Cooper and Mia.
I'll call them. All cell services are down.
Ugh.
I'm sure they're fine, honey. They got their teachers to look after them.
That's true.
Ben, can you put that away, please?
What? I'm bored, I need something to do.
I know, but only because it's annoying, Kyle.
Fine. Sorry, Kyle.
Hey, I have an idea to pass the time, guys.
Ooh, what is it, Miss Dawn?
Under my desk, I have a book of riddles. Right now would be a good time to tell some, since we're stuck here. How about I tell you all some?
Great idea, that will entertain us.
Ugh. I wanna go home.
So do I. Hope we don't stay here overnight.
Oh, don't even go there, Antonio. I rather go outside and freeze to death, than stay here longer.
Hey, if you guys want, you can go take a walk around the school, you don't have to stay in here, just don't go outside.
You guys wanna go for a walk?
Love to.
Phew, I'm glad we got our warm clothes on. It's cold in here.
You think the storm is settling, Mia?
Let me check. Still snowing, but it doesn't look too bad as earlier.
Oh, that's good.
Let's keep walking.
This should keep us warm for a while. Until the power comes back on.
I'll try calling Cooper and Mia again. Still down, I'm pretty sure they'll fix it in a while.
The storm is settling. It should be back up in a bit.
Okay, now I have some really hard ones. How many months of the year have 28 days?
Only one, and that's this month. February.
February is the only month in the year that ends on the 28th, unless it's a leap year. But actually, all 12 months have 28 days, and all of them except February go to the 30th or 31st.
Oh, I should have known that already.
Okay. A man shaves several times a day, but still has a beard. How?
He can't. Because he's Santa Claus.
A barber. Because he cuts or shaves other people's hair every day, but he still has a beard.
Oh, now I get it. Wow, these riddles are really creative.
Hey, it's back on.
Guess what, everybody? The storm has now stopped. They thought it was gonna last until 11 tonight, but it stopped early. Snow plows are now clearing all the roads, so that means very soon, parents are going to be able to get you all home safe and sound.
Oh, thank the Lord. I really wanted to get out of here.
The power's back on. That's good.
And look, the storm has stopped.
Great. I think my mum and dad are calling me.
Mia? Can you hear us?
Mum? Dad?
Oh good, our cell phones are working again. You doing okay?
Peachy. Just hanging out with my friends.
Don't worry, honey, we'll pick you and Cooper up as soon as all the roads are clear. We'll pick your guys' friends up and take them home too.
Thank you guys.
Everything okay?
We're finally gonna get out of here.
It is so good to be home.
Sure is.
I think tomorrow, your mother and I will have to do some snow shoveling. Our driveway is all covered in white.
Pretty smart for you guys to tell me to leave my car here today. It would have gotten all frozen and damaged if I'd brought it to school.
Indeed.